Hello again everyone, it's Camille. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for being here. Today I'm working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas and I will be doing some pearl cells, but this time I'm adding satin enamel in my paints. So the white is satin enamel white. That's a combination of Artist Loft soft body and satin enamel by decoart. That blue, bright blue, it actually has some satin enamel in it as well. I just put just a little bit, and the light blue is actually satin enamel, light blue, the green. So these are all custom mix. I just add a little bit of the satin enamel by decoart just to tint the colors a bit. I really wanted to see how this is gonna turn out, and so excited, guys. You know, I just wanted to put in these colors some satin enamel, and then for the black, no satin enamel. So the black is gonna be the Artist Loft soft body. I'm just doing this as if I'm doing my regular pearl cell, but this time just adding some satin enamel to see what effect I would get. All right, that turquoise is so beautiful. I added some satin enamel in it as well, guys. Do check out today's video. Let me know how you feel about this one, and of course leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you. Here it is, the close-up of the wet result. I do love it, guys. I do love the color combination, and I do love how the white got a little bit more developed than the colors, causing it to look a little bit wonky, but I do love it. It's just a very unusual piece, and I really wanted to share it with you, and I decided to keep this one because whenever I keep my painting, whenever I decide to show it to you guys here on YouTube, it's because I love it. So you can see that adding the satin enamel to the colors, it somewhat make the cells a little bit more bigger, maybe a little bit wonky, but I do love it. It's unique, it's beautiful. What do you guys have to say about this one? Leave me a comment in the comment section below, and of course stay tuned for the dry result. I'm gonna hang it 4 ways, and I want you guys to choose which way you prefer. Thank you all so much. Here is option 1 of 4. I'm loving it, guys. Honestly, the white in this painting created like a cloud-like effect, and it really makes this piece stands out. The white really brightens this artwork. I'm so in love. Guys, check out option 2, 3, and 4 and let me know which is your favorite. And of course, check out my playlist, you guys, and I will see you next time on Camila Moy Art. Bye.